Time dilation in space. Have you ever wondered what it would be like to age slower than the people on Earth, simply by traveling in space? Sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie, right? But it's actually real science, and it's happening every day for astronauts aboard the International Space Station. Time doesn't pass the same for everyone, especially when you're moving at speeds of 28,000 kilometers per hour, like the ISS does. This high-speed orbit creates a phenomenon known as time dilation, a concept that's part of Einstein's theory of relativity. According to Einstein, the faster you travel, the slower time moves for you compared to someone who's stationary. So, for astronauts, the faster they're moving through space, the slower they experience time relative to us on Earth. But it doesn't stop there. The ISS orbits Earth at an altitude where the gravity is weaker than on the planet's surface, which leads to gravitational time dilation. This means that time actually runs faster up there. When you combine both the effects of high speed and low gravity, the net result is astronauts aging just a tiny bit slower than people on Earth. In fact, after spending 6 months aboard the ISS, astronauts could age about 0.005 seconds less than they would have had they stayed on Earth. While that might not seem like much, it's a fascinating glimpse into how our understanding of time shifts when you leave Earth's atmosphere.